is solve and this expression is given. Means square root of 625 upon 9801 plus square root of 576 upon 1089, this whole bracket into square root of 121 upon again square root of 21025 plus 144. Okay, this 144 is in the denominator. See, this square root is for whole, means including this and numerator and denominator, everyone. And 121 is under square root, then in the denominator we have again one more square root, and 144 is separate, it is not under this square root. Okay, so what we do is we first find the square roots of all the numbers given. Whichever is easy, we'll write them directly. Like 625, it's easy, 25. Okay, 25 into 25 is 625. 9801, we don't know, we'll have to find. 576, it's 24. 1089, we'll have to find. 121, it's 11. 21025, we'll have to find. And this 44 I have not written because it's already 12, we know. So 3 we have to find. So find each one. 9809. By this division method, we get 99. Then 1089, we get 33. Then 21025. Remember, how did I do this? Check this. Groups of 2 towards the left. Okay. So 0 to 10 25. Then it becomes 145. Try it yourself, because it's just a division method which we have already done many times. So now the given expression becomes 25 upon 99 plus 24 upon 33 into 11 upon, now this square root as a whole. See here, this square root was this one, this full square root it was. Now 121 has come out of this square root, so it has become 11. So this square root will go to the whole denominator now. So it has gone to whole denominator, and this is 145, which was earlier square root of 21025. 145 plus 144. Okay. Now we have to add these two and remaining as they are. So over here also, denominator 99, denominator 33, LCM is 99. So 33 into 3. Similarly 24 into 3. So 25 plus 72 upon 99 into 11 upon, this total becomes 289. Now what is the square root of 289? 17. So it becomes 97 upon 99 into 11 upon 17. 11 ones are 11 nines are. Okay. So 17 into 9. 153. 97 upon 153. That is the required answer. Getting it? Practice it yourself. It's easy. Only we need practice. Pause the video wherever you don't understand and then try it yourself. Download YuvaGuru app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30, cubes up to 15 by heart. We have separate videos for them. Sing behind those videos on a daily basis and you'll learn them within 3 months. But do it with a discipline. Remember, these squares, cubes and tables are useful for you throughout your life for any competitive exams. Keep studying, keep watching. Thanks.